Well, hello from Paris, the city of light, and in this case, the city of sun. It's a perfect day for football at the Parc des Princes. I'm Derek Ray, and joining me for commentary is the former Arsenal defender, Lee Dixon. And there's a lot on the line in the relegation equation. That is a massive part of our story. It's Paris Saint-Germain up against Bayern Munich.
Well, thank you, Derek. The coach somehow has to find a way to motivate his players. They shouldn't need much. The prize is there for all to see. A win and they're safe. That would motivate me as a player, I can tell you that, Derek.
Introducing the Paris Saint-Germain starters. Keylor Navas is the goalkeeper. Presnel Kimpembe plays alongside Marquinhos in central defence. Marco Verratti starts alongside Idrissa Gueye in central midfield. And leading the attack today is Kylian Mbappe. Well, here is the Bayern side. The highly rated Manuel Neuer between the posts. David Alaba plays alongside Lucas Hernandez in central defence. Leroy Sané plays with Kingsley Coman on the flanks. And the idea is, can he give them the lead? A goal, and a massive one at that. Perhaps the goal that will see them avoid the drop lead.
Well, they turned it around. The switch in emotions. It's drama at its nerve-jangling best.
Underway once more, and it's going to be interesting to see whether or not PSG can articulate an appropriate reply. Goretzka. Gnabry with it. Lewandowski. Serge Gnabry. Douglas Costa. A wayward effort, and it's not going to help his team, Lee.
Well, wayward indeed. I think he had more time than he thought. He just rushed it a little bit. Technique was all wrong.
Ander Herrera. Idrissa Gueye. Attacking possibilities for PSG. It looked as though he almost forced the shot that time.
Well, it's okay shooting from there, but you have to test the keeper.
Lewandowski, determined defending. Alaba puts his body on the line. Serge Gnabry and Kimmich. Douglas Costa. Gnabry. Now Douglas Costa. Oh, good vision. It's still alive. Well, it looks so threatening, but the danger averted. Verratti. Ander Herrera. This is Neymar. Herrera. Verratti now. The attack carried an initial threat, but fizzled out. Would have been a foul, but instead, advantage Bayern. And Lewandowski moving through the gears. And Herrera was forced to sweep up and did. Well, real difficulty keeping the ball. Douglas Costa. On to Gnabry. Coman. And he takes on the shot. And stopped there by Marquinhos. Idrissa Gueye. Di Maria, nothing doing on the passing front. Douglas Costa. Douglas Costa. High quality defending. Douglas Costa. Alas, a wild bold, wild attempt.
Well, after that effort, I'm not sure whether he's right or left-footed.
Verratti. Di Maria now. And slipped through beautifully. That's all they can conjure for now. Any sort of lead is important. They have the lead. What have you made of it so far?
Well, it's all going well for Bayern. It's tight. Control of the ball is key when the game's like this. They do have the players to do it though. But leading up to half-time, they'll be the happier of the two sets of players.
Possibilities for Douglas Costa. Oh, it's gone in! And that might be the one! That might be the goal that keeps them up!
Well, that's a huge relief for everybody. It just relieves the jitters a little bit now, Derek.
It will be a Paris Saint-Germain free kick. Di Maria. And diving to thwart it.
Well, listen to that roar, Derek. They need a goal for sure. Can they get it from this corner?
Keeper's in trouble. Oh, you don't want... Oh, that's a fine save. Well, he's given a corner, the referee. It wasn't an especially high-quality header, was it?
Well, that was like one of mine, or more to the point, like one of yours, Derek.
You're spot on with that assessment, Lee. They've got it now, what can they do? And there is the goal! Well, that changes the equation, and they have the momentum now.
Well, all the players have bought into the coach's vision of how to win the ball back high up the pitch. Pressing football like this is a joy to watch for me, Derek.
Incisive pass from Mbappe. But it can't get all the way through. And so the half-time whistle has gone here at the Parc des Princes in Paris. Well, the referee sounding the second half into action, and Bayern with the lead. Now, what does Di Maria have in store for the defenders? Well, the cross needed to be better than that one. Coman. Good-looking pass. Coman. Well, he had a decent reading of that ball in. Well, let's see if Bayern can use this corner to add to their advantage. Coman. Di Maria. Florenzi. You've certainly got to give this man high marks for his work up to this point, Lee.
Yeah, he's played pretty well, to be fair. He looks confident and assured on the ball. But you do feel he's going to need a helping hand if he's going to turn this around. Not going to be easy, I can tell you that.
Is it going to be? And he scored not once but twice. They simply cannot stop him. And no wonder he's enjoying himself. Well, it's a tale of 4 goals in this match now. 3-1 it is. He might be able to profit from the wide position. It needs an accurate cross. Herrera, and making sure nothing untoward happened following the cross.
Bayern have had all of the ball. If you don't control the ball in midfield, it's very difficult to have enough of the ball to create chances for your strikers, and really has been a dog.
He must finish! Well, on the scent of a hat-trick, but not to be.
Well, how many times in a game do you get a chance to get 3 goals? Not very often. He'll be kicking himself there.
Pass from Coman might be productive. Oh, that was a terrific stop in a 1-versus-1 situation.
Well, high fives all round for the goalkeeper. Absolutely fantastic.
They've lost it. And Bayern moving the ball with purpose. Sané. Just cutting off the supply. Teammate available. Kimmich. Firing it in. And a pretty straightforward stop for the goalkeeper there.
Yeah, weak shot, straight at him, no problem for the goalie.
Di Maria. Di Maria. No, high quality defending. Sané. Oh, the ball lost here. Verratti. Now what can they do from here? Oh, in with a chance! Verratti, vivacious, a goal! So lethal in front of goal. Well, neutrals are getting their money's worth. 3-2 in this match. Marvellous piece of skill. Well, you've got to savour such moments. Gnabry. Incredible reflex action from Keylor Navas.
Well, he just gets in the right position and then he stretches. Brilliant.
Giving it a try. Keeper getting both gloves on the ball. Mbappe. And he's broken free. It's opened up for him. And a goal it is. They're not quite out of the relegation points just yet, Lee.
Well, Derek, the good news is there's a chance to change this. The bad news is they're falling apart. Big characters are needed here.
Well, what an extraordinary scoreline. Does this game have more goals in it? Serge Gnabry. Well, they're eyeing that final pass, you just feel. It was a fine-looking attack, but now they've given the ball away. Tremendous intuition to win it back. Just the clearance that was called for. And it's a matter of what occurs in the final 15 minutes. Takes it on! Can they forge ahead? Well, they would have done had it not been for the keeper.
Well, he was so sharp, the goalkeeper there, wasn't he? What a wonderful save.
It comes to absolutely nothing. Lewandowski. On the ball with Alphonso Davies. Well, the threat was very real. Marvellous defending. Well, time really is of the essence if they are to secure their status in this division. A point won't be enough. Let's remind ourselves they need 3. So near, but wide. Under Herrera. And there to intervene. Forward momentum from Bayern. Is there going to be late drama in the form of a goal? And still trying to get the shot off. Coman. Gnabry. And he has the measure of his man. And here's Joshua Kimmich. Now Douglas Costa. And the keeper died in to thwart it. Late in the game, a Bayern corner it is. Can they make it count? Keen to take it short here. Hernandez. And a tidy tackle. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. And it fizzled out. And the Parisians have lost possession. Inside the final 2 minutes of this contest. And Bayern struggling to keep the ball. PSG on the attack as the minutes tick away. What can they do in the closing phase? Well, totalling up all the stoppages, we'll have 2 additional minutes. Douglas Costa. Oh, so near, off the post. And there we have it, the final whistle. Well, the 2 teams certainly went at each other.